Risk a brain too.
Please ignore the fact that this video isn't 480p.
Doing rainstorm or drizzle?
Drizzle. We're a little,
Drizzle because we're bad
we're a
at the
little
game.
bad at the game.
What is this? Coin. Oh, ignite everything nearby, including you and allies.
Oh, dude, I
Awesome.
love that. That's such a
Do
feature.
not use that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use it.
It's really bad.
Logbook.
Really
Tular,
bad.
can you use it? Please,
Yeah.
for me. Awesome. Oh my god.
Oh shoot! It's actually lighting us on fire.
Does it hurt you too?
Yes.
It's terrible. Why would it do that?
Is happy birthday trademark?
I don't know. Is happy birthday copyright claimed?
Maybe. I don't know why you're doing this.
Let's hope and pray it doesn't steal my bungus. God damn, the one item I didn't want. Bro, have you seen me go crazy?
I'm so good at games.
Name one.
You're right.
You guys are there.
Why did that launch fireworks? What?
Do you have fireworks?
Yeah,
Oh, then I wonder why.
me too.
That's the only other item you have.
I know.
It is quite shocking that it launched fireworks now, isn't it?
No, but like when I grabbed the drone, fireworks happened.
Yeah, because you have the fireworks item.
What does it do?
If you interact with an item, oh, yeah, it launches fireworks at enemies. I'm gonna die.
No, you're not. I'm here.
Thank you.
I'm doing absolutely.
Never fear, Toolbar is here.
So that means you need to fear.
Yeah.
Because I am not protecting you.
Guys,
I
thought
do.
Thought?
What?
teleporter thoughts.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
okay. I just heard thought.
Me too. He's really thinking. He looks so silly.
Bro, he looks like such a nerd.
Wow.
He looks like all of us combined
Uh-huh.
into one freakish being.
Snoop and Joe. Oh.
He's just bungusing, even though he could be bungusing over here.
Uh-huh.
Like this is.
Can we come over here?
We need to get him over here.
We're starting our own bungus club. Oh no, I forgot I sold mine. Never mind.
What's this? Hey, Joe, why'd you take it?
Huh? I don't know.
Joe, you took them. You took 3.
I did?
Yes, it's me.
Hold on. Someone do something entertaining. I have to... Hold on.
What?
Do something entertaining in front of my camera. Were you guys entertaining? Did you guys do stand-up comedy?
I don't really know what
I
you
did
want.
sit down comedy.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna squeak my red nose.
Okay. You go ahead and do that.
I used to have one of those. I don't know where it went though.
What?
Like a red nose, like a clown.
Where did it go?
I went to a restaurant with my family and we all wore the red nose.
That was like awesome family time.
Tell the wedding group chat to watch this.
Yeah, tell the wedding group to get on here.
Whoever is not doing anything right now, whip out your phone and tell them.
I'm doing something. Joel, you do it.
Oh, I'm also doing something.
Or I can like call a drunk driving move and do it while I play.
Okay, that's terrible.
Right,
Please don't endorse
I'm
that.
not drunk driving, don't worry.
mother, we told you to stop from driving.
Using that.
I need to use it.
What is happening? It's gonna be the worst video ever. It's so unwatchable. We are not winning this
Oh
run.
my gosh, I turned into a purple.
What?
Hold on, I need to show you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready for this?
What the hell?
Catch the smoke.
Are you purple?
I don't know.
Why are you going with me?
Why he a purple?
Yeah,
Okay.
keep the base. Keep the base. Look at what I have.
Wow.
Oh.
Thanks to that.
It,
That feels good.
it's so
Thank you.
awesome, bro.
Much appreciated.
Much obliged.
We just saw a bison run off a mountain.
That's so sad.
Oh, now he's coming for me.
Good
No!
luck.
I need to run. I'm bringing him to you.
No, don't bring him to me.
The sharing is caring.
But I don't want your damn son.
Wow.
Your child is not my
Then I
problem.
won't share with you.
Felicia. Oh, I want him though. Where is he? Yippee! Look at him. He's such a friend. There he goes.
You killed
To the
him.
great beyond.
What's wrong with you?
This is not a game that is YouTubeable.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
But no one's
It
gonna
is.
understand what's going on.
No, they will.
Yeah, you do.
See, we understand, and that's.
Yeah, but that's because we're playing. I feel like you would not be able to
No,
understand
we
it.
can explain to people. Risk of Rain 2 is a roguelike
Risk of
game.
Rain
People
2.
know, if you're watching Vid, you're gonna know what it's.
Know what Risk of Rain
If
is.
they're watching us, they should not watch us to learn what Risk of Rain 2 is about.
Uh-huh.
If they're
That's,
Google it. I'm
Risk
not
of Rain 2 is a roguelike game where if you die, you don't come back. You can also get items. There's also characters. And
also,
the items are very awesome. And we're playing with my friends. And
Bungus.
fireworks. And Bungus, yeah.
Bungus is a big fun.
See, I would be an amazing teacher.
No, you wouldn't.
I have so many balls, it just kills anything I see.
Oh, don't say that again.
Why? Look at the sheer amount of balls that are spinning, bro.
Can we not?
Can we not? What's your problem?
I didn't do it.
I don't like spherical objects, okay? I'm scared of things without corners.
Why? That's fiercest.
Sphericist?
Oh
I'm not shapeist, I swear. I love all shapes equally.
Oh my god, Joel's gonna die. This is going into the video.
Eating goldfish.
I'm eating goldfish.
That was not the time!
Goldfish.
What kind?
Goldfish.
Original or like actual fish? Rainbow.
Essence of Hershey's.
Hershey?
Heresy.
Hershey. That's
Not-
copyright, we can't say that.
Too large-
Hershey meaning the pronouns.
Go
Hershey.
to the teleporter.
Okay.
Hershey, by meaning.
We need pronouns, guys, not
Uh-huh.
Hershey's.
My favorite candy bar. He, him.
He, him.
Now we wait.
Yeah.
What do we do while we wait? Perfect. This is our screenshot. Whoopsies.
Alright. I like that there are.
No, who blasted me off? What happened?
What?
I fell
I'll
off.
get you.
He might.
Oh, place it again.
Slow poke.
Slow
Oh
poke.
no! No!
What?
I'm coming down.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's rude.
Look, it's the guy! It's him!
It's him. He's in the thumbnail.
He's in the thumbnail. This is crazy. Dude, look at all my balls. Oh, I'm about to die.
Yeah,
Oh, don't do that.
He's
Please.
dead.
Oh, that's
He's
good.
got.
I'm so, for some reason, not used. I hate the space. Space sucks.
It's easy then. See, it's done now.
It's, wow. That was fast as hell. Bong! Oh my god, we're going crazy! He's dead?
Oh, we face skip. We skipped the base. It's possible to skip it.
Wow.
He died?
We're so smart for that. What?
I think.
He
I
died?
skipped phase 4 even. I
He died? That's crazy.
We skipped all the stages.
Dude,
We're so smart.
he's like, we made him so menacing in the thumbnail.
I'm getting in the ship. I don't know
You
what to
doesn't
do.
work because it's full.
Joe, no!
You're gonna make us lose.
Joe, come on! We had such an awesome ending.
No.
Leave, Joel.
Joe.
Leave.
Leave the game, Joe. Joe, leave the game. Leave the game. Leave the game.
Ultimate 4.
Oh,
I left.
yes, come on.
You might have gone in.
What happened?
No.
No!
I described a dog and you got that thing.
What? Oh my god.
It's my dog.
It's a little puppy dog, bro.
Yeah.
No, this is a dog.
That's a dog. Then what was the other thing?
A robot. This is a dog.
I don't think that's a robot.
That's a dog.
Yeah. it's-
Robot. Dog.
I'm a dinosaur hunter.
Sure. That's not nice.
No one else isn't nice. It's genocide, but it still happens.
Oh,
so.
you're right. That's so mean. What's the whole thing on TikTok with 1 million beers? Like, can someone explain that to me?
1 million beers? What?
Yeah, like, I'm getting this. What are you getting? And it's like, they have a filter on and they say 1 million beers.
Can I press E?
Yeah.
Hold on.
Toolbar said yeah. Can you ban Nick A30 from my chat just prematurely?
As if you would ever care to watch.
Well, just like, you know. I don't want him to go into my chat being like, never back down, never give up, guys. Who wants to join my Fortnite roleplay? Queso, however, is always allowed.
Queso can stay. I love
Queso doesn't do Fortnite roleplays.
Queso, my beloved. The shrine does not want you, bro.
That's true. Shrine doesn't want you, little bro. It's moved on.
Praying emoji. Crying emoji.
Crying emojis.
Damn, liberals. Get up my lawn.
Like that.
Sorry, you want to see everything slow?
Yeah. Oh my god.
I don't know how to fix.
Jack is having fun.
Hold on, let me say the most downright weird stuff and put it in the video, bro.
Please don't.
We are also
Dude, I'm
gonna say.
What happened? Diabolical video.